Everybody is looking for the next health craze. But what if I told you that the real danger is lurking in your sugar bowl? Table sugar, the sweet stuff in your pantry, isn't just empty calories. It's a sneaky culprit behind many health problems. When you eat sugar, your body breaks it down into glucose and fructose. Glucose gives you a quick energy boost, but fructose heads straight to your liver. Too much fructose can turn into fat, leading to fatty liver disease and insulin resistance. But that's not all. Sugar spikes your blood glucose, causing insulin spikes and crashes. This roller coaster can lead to type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even obesity. Now imagine cutting out sugary drinks. Within a week, your energy levels stabilize, your liver starts healing, your risk of serious diseases drops. So what are you waiting for? Ditch the sugar and witness the transformation. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening videos. Stay healthy, everyone.